Hello guys, today I'm gonna say about the electricity. Today I'm gonna say what are the types of electricity and how we can make electricity. Now let us get into the video. Today first we're gonna see about the introduction to the electricity and the electrical cells and the combination of the cell. Now let us see the charges. Before that, here is my favorite scientist, Nikola Tesla. He said that free energy device will never be allowed to reach the market because if there is no free energy, that means which has no current, will not reach the market. Like that he told. And the charges. Like charges will repel. That means positive also repel and negative also repel. Then the opposite charges attract. That means positive and negative will be attracting. Now let us get into the quizzes. Unlike charges attract, unlike charges repel. That means unlike charges means plus and minus. Attract, that means it will stick together, and the unlike charges repel. That is true because we already seen that it is attract and this will repel. So the correct answer is A, that is true. Now let us true unlike charges, that means here are two unlike charges like positive and negative, which way are near have more attraction. That means if it is over here, it will have more attraction, or two unlike charges like over here and over here, like who will get the more attraction. Now let us get into the example. Now if a man is over here and here is a fire, and here is a man and here is a man, who will get it, A or B? Of course the B. So the answer will be for this also will be two unlike charges will have more. That means two unlike charges are near. That means a man who is standing near the fire only get more energy, and the man is far cannot get the energy. So it is absolutely true. Now let us see the answer. See, it is again that is true. Now let us move to the next slide. Then here it is. Who found bulb? Bulb was founded by Thomas Alva Edison. He is only who founded the bulb. The correct answer is D. And let us get into the electricity. Electricity is in our body also, and it's in the sky also. See, it is in two types. And the atoms. These atoms are electron, proton and neutron. This electron have these three static charge like a sun in a proton. Then with the stars called the neutron and everything are here. Atoms are also called the building blocks of the universe. Now primary cells are designed to get this. See, this means the cap-like structure is called the positive terminal. Then disk-like structure is called the negative terminal. Now primary versus secondary. Primary means it has a positive terminal, a zinc can and a gasket. Then zinc consumed over here. Then the electropositive waste. Then the carbon rod. Then the cathode mask. Then the secondary cells. These secondary cells will also charge and discharge. That is called a secondary cell. Now let me move to the next slide. Primary versus secondary. The electrical cell. Here is the primary cell, and we connect with the endpoints to the rest of the circuit. Now let us get into the quiz. Which type of main is for multiple use? means multiple means we also know that secondary, because in the word itself there is called as second, so we can use it second time, so it's called as secondary. See, the answer is secondary. Which cells are meant for a single time use? Single time use means primary, because pri means one, so it's primary. Which type of cell cannot be recharged? That means we cannot put charge. That is primary. Okay, that's primary because we can't charge it, so it is primary. And the answer is A, that is primary. Which type of cell can be recharged? This is also the same, only the primary. And the discharge rate of primary cells batteries is very high. Yes, that is true. Now let me move to the next slide. The battery present inside the mobile phone is made up of primary cells. That is false. We can charge it, so it is false. Then, which of these following statement is correct? The primary cells is present in the mobile phone. That is wrong. Then primary batteries are recharged again and again. This is also wrong. And primary batteries discharge rate is very high. And this one is correct. Yeah, this one is correct, and these are false. Now let us get into the combination. Now these two terminals is follow the light bulb to glow. And here is how. See, the A means it should touch with B and C, and then only it will flow, call it as 1.5 voltage to 3 point voltage, then only 4 point voltage. Then what is the total value of electrical cells of 1 voltage? That is 0 voltage. Now let us see the answer. Yes, it is B, that is 0 voltage. A combination of two or more electrical cells together is called what it is called the battery. Now this is the battery, and they have used physics, not biology, because here are tissues, the primary box of the cells. So the correct answer is that. Then thank you guys. Today we have seen how to make a master of electricity and how electricity works. Now thank you guys. We'll see you next video. Bye bye.